Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rick and today we have a quick little unboxing. So I got a package in and let's see what we got. And this one comes from Muse Hifi and it says Muse Hifi M5 Ultra. Nice little box. And inside, very cool. And the construction is beautiful. It says M5 Ultra. And that was very cool of them. They laser etched it. Rick Ruiz audio. I very much appreciate it, guys. So now I'm curious if this is a loaner sample. I'm gonna reach out to them and see if this is a gift or a loaner sample. So when I do my review, I can let you guys know if it's sponsored technically or not. The back side, Muse Hifi, really cleanly printed on the glass screen. We have a power, a plus and minus button. There's a little M here, so that might mean memory, and then an up and down button. On the other side, a nice amount of ventilation, super cleanly laser cut. That might be an LED or a mic. And on the bottom, we have our ports. And very cool, I love to see this, dual USB-Cs, one for data transport and one for power delivery. And it looks like on the output, we have a 3.5 millimeter single-ended, and that looks like a 4.4 Pentacon. And the M5 Ultra is a portable DAC with headphone amplifier, with its main feature being that it's tube-based and it uses a Raytheon JAN6418 tube. I really love the styling of this little unit. And we have ESS, so that's my first bit of information. But I'll reach out to Muse Hifi and have all the specs for when I do the review. I thought at first this is how I open the box, but it looks like we have a little separate drawer down at the bottom of the unit. And we have a couple of different accessories. We have a USB-C to USB-C, a USB-C to USB-A adapter. I love to have these things around. And a USB-C to Lightning if you have an older iPhone or iPad. And this little box is labeled leather protective case. And let's take a quick look at this guy. And giving it the smell test, this is real leather on this. Very pretty, a deep blue, again labeled M5 Ultra. Let's see what the unit looks like inside the case. There it is, super clean. Again, we want to leave the ventilation open and our transport buttons. And check it out, they also sent me this little gift plaque that's very cool. I read on their data sheet that they'll be giving 50 of these out to their first purchases. And it's very cool. It's just a little LED light and it shows you that JAN6418 tube. I think that's a nice little touch. All right, well there it is guys. An unboxing and first look at the Muse Hifi M5 Ultra. As soon as this guy is released, Muse Hifi will let me know when I can release my video. But for the next couple of weeks, I'll be testing this guy out. All right guys, see you on the next one.